So right after the iOS 26 update, if your iPhone's personal hotspot is suddenly grayed out in control panel or settings, or even missing and completely disappear from everywhere, let's go ahead and fix it fast and quick. Now first, make sure your carrier also provides hotspot services, because if they don't provide the service, you won't find the hotspot option. Now, what if you have used hotspot before and now it's not available? In that case, next, make sure there is no cellular update, which you can check from settings to general and from there to about section. If there is an update, it will pop up in here. Just go ahead and install it. If that's not your issue, if it's grayed out and especially missing, you can try a trick. Just activate Siri and tell it to turn on a mobile or cellular hotspot. If it prompts you to turn on cellular data first, just say yes to confirm. And your hotspot button will show up at the top of your screen. Now, if Siri is not set up on your iPhone, don't worry. You can also swipe down the kernel panel and turn on cellular data manually, and hotspot button will instantly be clickable. If that didn't work, just give your iPhone a forced restart. Press and release the volume up and down button, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo shows up on your screen. After the restart, your problem should be solved. But what if it didn't? You've already tried a lot of settings that didn't work, so let's reset network settings next. From settings, go to general, scroll down and enter transfer and reset iPhone, and then tap on reset, and then tap on reset network settings. This will remove your Wi-Fi password, so make sure you got that. This will definitely solve your problem, and your hotspot will be visible and won't be grayed out anymore. Thanks for watching.